If your goal is to grow your hair long, this is what you need. This is a combination of two ingredients, and this is what this video is all about. I've heard so much about using onions juice to grow your hair, and I'm going to put that to test today. Today is January 10th, and I'm going to do this challenge for 3 months. I'm going to be doing this every week on my hair, and that is hard for me because I do, put my hair in a protective style for like 3 weeks. But having to do this using onions, and onions have a very strong smell, to work on my hair for hair growth, that is going to be challenging, but that's why it is called a challenge. So for 3 months, I'm going to be using onions juice, and to supercharge this recipe, I am going to be adding rosemary oil to it. I don't know if you've heard about that, but I saw a video about onions for hair growth. His name is Dr. Berg. He said you should combine rosemary oil with onions juice, and that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to try this. I've shared about the potency of rosemary oil for hair, but I'm going to combine these two and use it on my hair weekly for 3 months. That's gonna be hard, but I will try. So my hair is freshly washed, and I put it in a protective style, well, to air dry. So I'm gonna loosen my hair to share with you the length as of January the 10th to see how it will be in the next 3 months. Well, in this channel we talk about healthy parenting, how to take care of yourself, how to take care of your kids' hair, how to take care of what you put into your body, taking care of your body, food, and taking care of your kids in a healthy way, healthy parenting tips, and many others, spiritual parenting as well. So today is hair, and it's not just for your kids, for the parent, for me. So this year, one of my goals is to grow my hair out. Well, my hair is doing great, so I just want to try something different with onions juice. I'm not so crazy about having long hair. I mean, my hair is okay and doing great. So I'm gonna show you the length of my hair as of today, and we'll see how this will help, because people have been saying onions juice helps to grow the hair. So I'll see how that will help my hair to add some length. So this is my hair. So I'm just gonna check the length, taking it from the top here. This is where it is. This is where it is. So this is loose hair. So it's just like here. It's gonna be similar with, see where it is. So come. So my daughter is gonna help me with the back. Just push it. So that's where it is. It's exactly on my bra strap. Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna apply the juice, the onions juice, and the rosemary oil. And real quick, I'm gonna share with you how to make the onions juice, which is just cut it and blend it. And also, very quick, I want to show you the type of onions that I'm using. I'm using organic onions. Organic onions, because one of the recommendations from Dr. Berg was use organic onions, and I use organic produce for my household, so that was a plus for me. So use organic onions, red onions, very, very important. And in the course of the video, I'm going to share the benefits of onions and also rosemary oil for hair. So I'm going to apply these two on my hair, and I'll allow it for between 45 minutes to 1 hour, and then I'll wash it out. Also, very important, I want you guys to know that we are having a program in mid-June. It is the second edition of First Christian Black Natural Hair Celebration, and in that program we talk about how we should value and appreciate our hair, how God sees us, and we should celebrate the hair that grow out of our scalp. And in that program we have prizes for participants. So this is to encourage people, most importantly Africans, African Americans, blacks around the world, to celebrate their hair, to take care of their hair, to make sure that they are responsible for making sure we are taking care of God's creation. I mean, the hair that God created us with. So that program is coming up in June once again. So I would love you to join. It's going to be an online program, so you don't have to come to any venue. Just log in from your phone and join us. Prizes will be given to the best hairstyle, the way you style your hair, and we are going to share details. So if you want to participate, so let me know in the comments below if you are interested. Some of you might be wondering, is it only for women? No, it's for all category, for men, women, children. I mean, it's for all categories. We have done it before, as you can see on the screen. That was the first one and it was on site. So this one is going to be online. So everyone is invited, men, women, boys and girls, teenagers, youth. You are all invited for this program. So this is the second one. Please plan to attend because you would love it. So that's what is coming up in June. So please plan to join. Hope to win something. So let's get into making the onions, and together with the oil and putting it on our hair. Let's go. Onions helps hair growth primarily through its high sulfur content, a key building block for keratin, strengthening strands and reducing breakage. Plus, its antioxidants fight scalp stress, while improved blood flow nourishes follicles, creating a healthier growth environment. The benefits of onions for hair are: number 1, sulfur boost. Onions are rich in sulfur, which is crucial for producing keratin, the protein that forms hair, leading to stronger, less brittle hair. Number 2, enhanced blood circulation. Onions juice may increase blood flow to the scalp, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to hair follicles, keeping them healthy and in the growth phase longer. So after cutting the onions into smaller pieces, I put it in the blender to blend. Also, onions has antioxidant protection. Antioxidants in onions neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress that can damage follicles and contribute to hair loss. Next is antimicrobial properties. Its antibacterial qualities can help fight scalp infections, which can impede hair growth, promoting a healthier scalp environment. So after blending, I then turn it into this bowl and will strain it. Also, onions have the highest amount of quercetin. It helps suppress autoimmune attack. It also helps increase the growth hormones of the hair follicle, which is right at the root of the hair. So to strain it, you can either use a wig cap, which is what I used in this video, or you use a cheesecloth. So I'm gonna squeeze the juice out, and then I will add rosemary oil to it. And rosemary oil can stimulate hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp. This helps hair follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients, which can lead to healthier hair. Also, rosemary oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help prevent hair loss caused by inflammation of the scalp and hair follicles. So this is homemade rosemary oil, and I've shared that in my channel how to make it. And I then turn it into the onions juice and mix it up. Remember that oil and liquid don't mix very well, so you have to constantly mix it up. Even when you put it in the bottle, you keep shaking it so that you make sure that everything is going into your scalp. So I turned it into this bottle and then I'll use it. Liking the video so far, please give it a like. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for your continued support. So this is the onions juice mixed with rosemary oil. And like I said, this is my homemade rosemary oil. And I'm going to spray it into my hair using the spray bottle. So I will put my hair in a twist so that I can get into my scalp. So see, it's coming out. So I'm gonna put my hair in a twist, in a, like it was braids, so that I can get into smaller parts of my hair and also into my scalp. So this is where we are now, putting the rosemary oil and the onions juice. So it's usually the messy part. So after putting it, I'm going to put a plastic wrap on my head and leave it on for 1 hour. So I'm going to share with you the progress in the next 3 months. But I would love you to do this challenge with me so that in the 3 months that this video will be completed, this challenge will be completed, you must have grown your hair out just like I am about to. So this is what I'm going to apply: the onions juice and the rosemary oil. So keep in mind, we're having a program coming up in June. Plan to attend. It's going to be an online program. So you are invited, and also invite people. It's going to be in June. And guess what? Mid-June is what African Americans in the US, where I live, we celebrate Juneteenth. Juneteenth is usually celebrated on June 19 every year in America. So it has to do with liberation from slavery. So we celebrate that here in the US. And that is why the program is around June 19, Juneteenth. So it's going to be in the mid-June so that we can celebrate our African Americans, and we celebrate Black people around the world and celebrate our hair in its natural state. So we are done. The next step is to massage my scalp. So I emptied the onion juice and the rosemary oil on my scalp. So I'm going to massage it. You massage your scalp because that aids blood circulation and it helps the hair to grow from the scalp. It supports hair growth, massaging your scalp. So this is it. So after massaging my scalp for a few minutes, you put this on your hair, like steam it up for 1 hour. All right. So I left it on for an hour and then I washed it out. So I got this shirt from Amazon to be able to check the accuracy of the hair. So this is the length of my hair right now. This is a hair measurement t-shirt. So the back says, "I'm making progress. Hope to pass that length after 3 months." Making progress. I hope you're going to join me in this challenge. Thanks for watching.